How to make Gamepass and please donate Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, log into your account, then click on More located on bottom right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find Create. Click on Create and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top left corner of your screen and click on Creations. After that, click on Your Place. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, again, click on three lines located on top left corner of your screen. After you do that, scroll down to Monetization, and here you'll find Passes. Click on Create a Pass. After you create a pass, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add name for your pass. After that, simply click on Create Pass. Then click on the pass you just created. And then click on three lines on top left. And then go to Sales. Make sure you turn on Item for Sale. Then add price for your Robux. Click on Save Changes. And you're good to go. This is how to make Gamepass. And please donate Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.